Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss about Fast Next Starterkit features. I will show you major features of Fast Next Starterkit so you could decide whether you should purchase this project or not. I have already separate videos about how you can run this project locally and how you can deploy this project on live server. So if you want to run this project locally or want to deploy this project on live server, please go through those videos. You can check the description for links. If you want to purchase this starter kit, visit my website pykits.dev, create an account, log in with your credential, go back to the home page, click on browse app, then here it is, FastAPI Starter Kit with Next.js frontend and React Native application. Click on this get this app, make payment, and on success it will redirect you to my app UI where you can simply click on this download button to start the download. So you do not have to wait, you can instantly download this project and can use to create your own SaaS application or product, and you can use it as many times as you want. There is no limitation. There is no limitation in downloading. So buy once and you can use it for unlimited times. So at present we have two interface. This is the front end interface which is integrated with backend, and this one is backend Swagger UI. But in general we usually do not enable it. We keep it disabled, so this won't be publicly exposed and people won't be able to access it directly. I mean, this is the standard procedure, right? Our user should access this API via this front end, and this front end will communicate with our backend FastAPI project. So this is the basic idea of using FastAPI and Next.js both together to build up full stack application. But for now, I have enabled it just to show you that these APIs are available within the project. So let's discuss one by one these API routes. So this is the heartbeat route. This heartbeat route does not require any authentication. This simply provides you a system health status, whether the system is okay or there is something wrong with the system. So you can try it out, click on try it out, then execute it, and if it returns okay, then you can assume that everything is working perfectly fine on the backend side. Now the second system health URL is to check health status, and this is only for super admin. Only super admin can access this. So if you try it out, click on try it out button, then execute it, and here you can see that authentication failed, missing access token. So this is unauthorized and the error is unauthorized. So this is for super admin. I mean, if you have to log in as a super admin, only then you will be able to access this route. So let's log in with super admin user. We already have a super admin, so I'm going to use this login route. Click on try it out. Then here we have to write credentials. So sa@example.com. Then password is super admin if I'm not wrong. Click on execute and you can see that we are logged in. sa@example is active true, is verified true, and ID is 1, role is super admin, and permission is all. So login is also working perfectly fine. On the backend side, we'll check front end in a few minutes, but for now let's check backend first. So if you'll try it out this route, then this returns information about currently logged in user. So click on try it out, and we are currently who is currently logged in? Super admin. So if you click on this execute button, you will see that email is this one, and this is basic detail of super admin or currently logged in user. So these two URL are working. Now let's come back to this URL. So this was only accessible by super admin. So now we have super admin logged in, so we can execute this. Simply click on execute and this will return system health status. As you can see, database is healthy, and you can also check latency in milliseconds. Redis is healthy, Celery is healthy, overall status healthy. So everything is working fine. Using this route, you can check whether the system is working fine or not. Like database is working fine, that's why it is connected and healthy. Similarly for Redis and Celery. Register is also working. Click here to expand this. And as we have implemented Google reCAPTCHA, so you have to pass X client type. X client type should be either web or mobile. As we are on web browser on desktop, so we have to provide web here. Here you have to write web, and in this case you have to provide a CAPTCHA token. What I would suggest to you that if you are testing it on web browser, then you should go with mobile X client type. In that case, you do not have to provide CAPTCHA token. But if you write web here, then you have to provide CAPTCHA token. And you cannot generate captcha token because we do not have that feature. Captcha token is automatically generated from the front end only. So for testing purpose, if you want to test this register feature, then you have to pass your mobile client type, then pass email, password, and name. You do not need to pass this captcha token. Okay, so let's close this. Then here is the refresh token. If you want to refresh the token, try it out, click on execute button, and this will provide you new refresh token. Remember, this will not return the refresh token, rather it will save refresh token as HTTP only cookie. The next URL is send verification email. This URL will send a verification email to the user. Then this one verify the email. This one resend verification email. When user register very first time, then he will get a email verification email. But for some reason, if he do not verify his email on that particular time frame, then that email will be expired. In that case, if he wants to verify his account, he must use this feature to get a verification email again in his inbox. Then here this one is change password, send password reset email, reset password, log out, log in for mobile application, refresh for mobile application, log out for mobile, and this one is log out all from all devices. This one is user management. So admin, these all are managed by admin, super admin. Using this route, you can check all registered user details. We only have one user, so as you can see, this is the super admin and only one user. We have only one user. You can also create a new user. I mean, super admin can create a new user using this route. Can retrieve user detail, update user status, delete user, assign role to user. This one related to profile, so user can retrieve his own profile, update profile, and these one for super admin. So super admin can access anyone's profile, update anyone's profile as well. This one is statistic. This one application statistic. Like, let me show you. Try it out, then execute, and it will return recent users, rate limit hits, database status, Redis status, salary, total broadcast, total blog post, total user, active notification. I mean, few important statistics which a super user should have. Then these are related to Google authentication. These are related to GitHub authentication. These are related to RBAC, and these were related to maintenance. If you want to enable your website maintenance mode under construction mode, then you can use these routes. These are related to blog. These are related to Google Analytics, and here are in-app notifications, and that's it. Let's move to front end part. This one is the front end part, so let's refresh it. Okay, as we are logged in as super admin, so it has also logged in. I mean, we are using same browser, right? So if you logged in using the API, then the cookie has been saved in this browser for this session. That is why it is also logged us in. But let me sign out so I could show you how you can log in using front end. To log out or sign out, simply click here, then try it out. Simply click on execute button and logged out. Now if you refresh this page, then you won't see go to dashboard, rather you will see start chatting. So you have to click on this sign in button, then log in using your email ID. Please remember that you cannot register as super admin or admin. You can register only as a normal user using this front end part. If you want to create a super admin, you have to use CLI. This is for security purpose. So for now, let's click on sign in button, then log in as super admin. So I'm going to use example.com. Then password is super admin. Click on login button, and here we are. So platform user, there is only one user. That's why it is 1. Date limit hits 0 because nobody abused our application. So this is 0. Then database status, and these are few basic statistics for our application. The second option is blog management. You can create blog, you can edit blog, you can delete blog post using this section. This one is product management. This is dummy project management. It is not functional. You can customize it. You can delete this from the source code if you want. The next option is access and identity. So here we can manage user. Like we have only one user as say at example.com. Let's create a new user. You can use this add user feature to create a new user. Remember that this feature is only for super admin. So create here, add user and email. I'm going to use user1 at example.com. Click on create user, and then user has been registered, as you can see here. The user has user role by default. Status is active. If you want to make this user as admin, you can change its privilege. You can also change it to super admin. You can click here, you can edit this user. If you want to update his name, then you can update his name. You can change his status, active status to active to suspended. You can also change verified status, I mean email verification status, unverified to verified or verified to unverified. So these features are only for super admin. If user is not active, then he cannot log in. You are temporarily banning him from accessing your application, changing his active status to suspend. Okay, so simply click on save button and the status is suspended. You can active his status again if you want. Click on edit user and change it to active. This one also you can click to verify. Simply change save and he is active. Now he can log in into our application. You can click on this refresh button to reload user list. If you want, you can also delete or permanently remove user from your application. The second tab is the role management. So user, admin, super admin. These three are system role, and each role has their own protocols. Like user has user read, blog read, user update, user profile update, these kind of permissions. So you can check or uncheck these permission to assign this particular role. Similarly for admin and for super admin, all permissions are already assigned. So you cannot modify super admin permissions. And the next option is app analytics. This is simply an analytics, Google Analytics, which is fetching data from Google Analytics API. So this may take few seconds very first time. So as you can see right now, the active users are 4 because I have opened in multiple tabs. So there are 4 active users, and last 30 days total users is 4, bounce rate 22.5, average session 2 minutes 35 seconds. And here you can see signal origin. Users are from India mostly. So from India, there are 4 users, and this will show country wise your visitors. And this is the last 7 days graph traffic data. And then here you can see that top performing screen. I mean, which pages are getting more views. As you can see, Moyo AI free open source AI chat page is the top page of our application. Then the second one is login into, and third one is unlock intelligent Moyo AI. The data which you are seeing here is from Google Analytics API, and we are caching this data. So the next time when you will click on this API Analytics, this will load faster. But if you think that the data is not up to date, then you can simply click on sync stream, and this will again hit Google Analytics API and will fetch latest data for you. Now next one is health and maintenance. So here you can check health. This is just kind of a statics which will show you database is working fine, Redis caching is working fine, salary workers are working fine, overall status is very healthy. The useful thing is maintenance, system maintenance. Click here, and as you can see, this is system maintenance mode. So if you want, you can change your website status to under construction, under maintenance. You can add bypass override key, which can be used to bypass system maintenance mode. You can also select date and time. Here you can select date, and here you can set time. Okay, you can select time. Then simply set up maintenance, and you have to enable this system maintenance mode. This is useful if you are facing any kind of issue within your application and you do not want to show your users random error messages. Then you can put your website on under construction mode. User will see under construction page, and you can fix your bug behind the scene. And once all bugs are fixed, you can simply disable this maintenance mode or purge it. Then your site will be live for everyone. So this is a very intelligent feature, I would say. For any reason, if caching is creating any kind of problem for your users, then you can simply come here, purge application caching. Simply click on purge cache, and it will remove almost every caching from permission, profile, notification, maintenance. The next option is broadcast center. This is the broadcast center. So if you want to broadcast any in-app notification, then you can use this feature. The notification will be visible here, this bell icon. There is no notification So it is blank for now. Then the next option is here. This is the this is a kind of drop down. So simply click here. You can change theme, light mode to dark mode to light mode. You can edit your own profile. Simply click here. You can change your display name if you want. You cannot change your email address, so keep this in mind. You can change your password if you want to, and if you want to sign out, then simply click here, sign out. And if you want to log out or sign out from all devices, then simply click on sign out from all devices. This will log out you from any mobile application. If you have signed in a cafe and you forgot to sign out there, simply click here, sign out from all. It will sign out from your cafe which you had forgotten. So this is also a very good feature for security purpose. Now let's register an user. So this is the Firefox, and I'm going to chat. Click here, chat. Then simply register a user using this registration option. So user2@example.com. Then click here. Oh, sorry, this is the name. This one is email. So name is optional, by the way. If you don't want to share your name, then simply you can leave it. Password is user 123456789. And you have to check this box, and you have to solve this puzzle to prove that you are not a robot. Okay, bicycle. Now click on register button. An account created. Please check your email for a verification email. But there was no email because the email which I had used to register was a fake email. It was user2@example.com. So I do not have that kind of email. Let's try to log in. So user2@example.com, and now we'll use password. So it is user 123456789, right? Simply on login button. I will throw error. Please verify your email address before logging in this. So you cannot access your account unless you verify your email. This is also good for security purpose. Now let's go back to the super admin, and we will verify this user email manually. So here is the super admin account, access and entity. This is the user. It is active, but I have not verified his email. So I'm going to click here. Now it is showing verified. Click on change, save change. Now this user email has verified, so now he can log in. Now go back to the Firefox and let's try to log in. So click on login button, and now as you can see, a normal user will have user panel, and user panel has this UI. It does not have many feature. It simply have this chat theme which is a dummy. Yeah, but he can switch dark mode to light mode to dark mode, and he can also update his own profile, and he can also change password, sign out and sign out from all. So these all things will work for this particular user. What I want to show you this notification. The super admin can broadcast a notification, and this user will receive that notification. So let me show you how this works. Let's switch to super admin account. This one is super admin account. Click on broadcast center, and I want to broadcast a notification for logged in user. So simply click on logged in user. Then it is information type. So I'm going to select the information here. Now notification title is happy Holi, 20% Holi off. This is the message. You can also share a link. Let me share a link as well. So this is pykits.dev, and here you can write your coupon code or something like that in JSON format. So curly open, curly close, got write code. Then I'm going to write Holi 20. So this is the coupon code, and simply click here, send notification, then confirm dispatch, and the information notification sent and dispatched to authenticated user. Now let's switch back to the user in Firefox, and here you can see that there is a notification. Happy Holi, 20% Holi off, and code is here, and here is the URL. So this is the notification, and this notification only belongs to logged in user. Let's log out from this user. Click on sign out. Click on home button. So this is the home page. Now if you want a global notification, something like a banner, then you can also broadcast a global notification. Let's go back to the super admin. Choose here global all visitors, then choose the priority. So it's a critical error. Then here we have to write like system update. Here you can write your message that the website will be down between 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. If you want to add a link, then you can add link as well as metadata. But for now, let's leave it as empty. Simply click on notification, confirm dispatch, and the notification has been broadcasted. So let me show you the notification. So go back to the Firefox, refresh this page, and here you can see this is system update. This the website will be down between 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. Isn't it cool? For some reason, if you want to delete global notifications or global broadcast messages, then go to the dashboard. Then here you have recent broadcast which are global. Simply click on this delete button and confirm deletion, and the notification has been deleted. Now user won't be able to see this notification. Refresh this page and the notification has disappeared. Now let me show you the maintenance, how maintenance work. So go to the system maintenance. At present, the website is working fine. As you can see here, the website is working fine. Now let's enable under maintenance mode. We will also use bypass key. So I'm going to write here pykits dev 1 to 3. Now date would be same date, but time would be 4. Where is the 4? This one is the 4 and 4 5 then PM. Okay. Now click on this button, setup maintenance. Simply click this button, and this has been configured, but you have to enable it separately. So click on this button to enable it, then click on save maintenance settings. So once you click on this button, the maintenance mode is now on. When visitors will open this website, he will see this maintenance page, and in 3 minutes it will automatically disabled and the website will be live. You can customize this web page as per your requirement. So the website is under construction, right? Now if you want someone to access this website, then you have to share your bypass key. So let me open this website. So this is under construction. Let me show you. This is under construction, right? Now there is a specific user. I want him to access this website for testing purpose or whatever reason is. He can simply question mark then UC equal then what we had written as bypass key pykits dev 1 2 3, right? Simply write it, hit enter, and the website will be live for only this particular user who have this bypass key. And for this particular session, website is still under construction for all other user who do not have this bypass key or who is not a super user, super admin. So here you can see for this particular user, website is still under construction, but for this particular user who have the bypass key can access this website. Super admin also can access the website whether it is in under construction mode or a working site, because he is super admin, right? So he should have access in any cases. I'm waiting for this timeout, this to timeout, so I could show you that it is automatically get disabled and the website will be live. Almost complete 3 second, 2 second, 1 second, and it will show finishing up. It won't automatically refresh this page, so you have to manually refresh this page, and this website is live. And here, as you can see, you have to refresh this page. So refresh this page, then again go to the system maintenance, and this is auto disabled, as you can see here. Now if you schedule it for 5th March, okay, and now if you want to disable it or remove it before this scheduled date, then how will you do this? You can easily do this by clicking on this reset button. Simply click on the reset button and this will remove any record related to maintenance mode. Simply confirm reset and the data has been removed. Notification is also available for super admin, as you can see here. Now let me show you that super admin has power to view the application as admin or user view. So someone who is admin will access this particular UI. So this is for admin only. He can access basic statistics of the website. He can manage blogs. He can manage products. That's it. He does not have any super admin feature. Now a user will have UI something like this. So this switching dashboard view feature is only enabled for super admin. Super admin can switch to admin view, user view. Admin can switch to admin and user view. Now let's try to register using Google authentication or GitHub authentication. So let's try with GitHub authentication. So click on this button, login with GitHub. I'm already logged in on my GitHub account. So it is redirecting me to GitHub authentication authorization web page. I just need to click on this button, authorize this particular user, and it will log me into this website. So I am a normal user and have signed up this website as using my GitHub account. So a GitHub account, I mean, if you use your GitHub account or Google account to sign up or register in this website, then you will not have change password feature. Change password feature is enabled only for users who have signed up using their email and password. This is for security reasons. Click here, then log out, go back to the super admin, and here you can see that the user has signed up. So as a super admin, you can monitor this user, that this user is active, and as this user has signed up using GitHub account, so he do not need to verify his email ID. It is already verified. Okay, similar for the Google authentication. You can remove this user, by the way. So simply click here, delete user, and click delete user button. The user will be deleted. Now let's try to sign up with Google. So click on this button, Google, login with Google, click here, and then you have to click on your Gmail account. You may have to verify your account because Google has a lot of restriction. So it is asking us to go to get your Google emulator. I do not have Google emulator for this account, so I'm not gonna use this method to verify my account. Rather, I will use OTP to verify my account. So click here, more ways to verify. Simply click here, and then click here, and you will have to write your complete phone number. First of all, I have to select India. Then we'll write phone number. Click on send button, and you will receive OTP. Write OTP, then click on next button. Then click on continue button, and now we are a registered user in this website. So start chatting. You can see that you are a registered user who do not have change password feature because you have signed up using your Gmail. Sign out this, and now let's go back to the super admin, and if you will reload this list, you can see there that it has this particular user now, and we can remove this user. So let's remove this user, delete this user, go back to the user, and let's try to register using email and password. I will use same email ID, so I could show you how to send reset password and how to verify your email account manually. So this is a valid email. Now I will have to write password. You can click on I am not a robot, and simply click on register button. Account created. Please check your email for a verification link. Now let me check my email ID, and here we have verify your email. So click this email, then you will have to click on this link. Simply click this link. Now let's test forget password. So simply click on sign in button. Then suppose that we have forgot our password. So click forget password, then you have to write your email, then click on this button, send reset link. If an account exists for this, we have sent a password reset link. So let's go back to the email ID, and here we have received an email regarding reset your password. So simply click here, then click on this link, and it will prompt you with set new password. So you have to set your new password here, and it must be at least 8 character. Click on reset password, and now it is saying that password must contain both uppercase and lowercase. I'm going to change the very first character. Now click on reset password. The password has updated, as you can see. Now you can log into your dashboard or user panel. I think we have experimented with all major features. If you find any bug, you can report me on my LinkedIn account, or if you face any kind of problem, whether it's running on local machine or deploying it on server, you can contact me on my LinkedIn account. I will try my best to help you. I hope that this video will help you to decide whether you should purchase this starter kit or not. See you in the next video.